Thinking about tax can be quite taxing, especially if you are drawn to it out of necessity rather than interest. But don't fear, we are here to add clarity to your understanding of tax. Hello everyone, I am Prarthana from ClearTax and it's time to take a closer look into the common myths and misconceptions people have about tax saving investments. Let's begin.
My salary is low, hence I don't need to make tax saving investments. If you agree with the above statement, you are not alone. However, it may not be the best perspective to have. If you feel financial planning is not required at this stage in your life, you may just never commit to it in the future either. Besides, investing in low cost schemes can always be useful. An investment such as a life insurance policy is ideal at this stage. Any PF contribution that goes into my EPF account is tax deductible. This is not entirely true. While your contribution to the EPF account as an employee is tax deductible, the share contributed by your employer is not. It's this very misconception that makes most of us lazy to look out for other investments since we feel we have got it made with just our EPF account. The total rent I pay is tax deductible. This misconception leaves room for a lot of confusion and clutter. Actually, rent can be deducted as a part of your salary's house rent allowance component. In case you do not have the HRA provision, the rent amount can be claimed under Section 80GG. HRA includes the list of the following: HRA actual received, 50% of your salary, excess of annual rent paid above 10% of your annual income. The total sum of all my home loan EMIs is tax deductible. If you believe the above statement, you may be losing a lot of money on tax. Remember, for any home loan, it is not only the principal repayment amount that's eligible for tax deductions up to Rs 1,50,000 as per Section 80C. I can't afford to make investments right now. Now, while this can hold good for a fresher who has just started his or her career, it doesn't really hold good for the rest of the earning population. The common misconception that a lot of us have in our minds is that investments are expensive and only those who have surplus cash can even consider it. This is clearly not true, as there are various investment avenues that do not necessarily burn a hole in your pocket. If you are on a lookout for pocket-friendly investments, consider mutual funds, term life insurance, health insurance, ULIPs, and similar options. Just be sure to understand how much of tax benefit you are likely to get from each option before you zero in on one.
Well, there you go, folks. As with anything else, myths and misconceptions have the ability to cloud our judgment and leave us confused about reality. The truth is, myths will continue to exist. We simply need to rise above them by educating ourselves and seeking out the right information. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel if you are interested on getting educated about finance. Thank you and take care.